differentiate f of x equals x over e to the x. Here we want to take the derivative of a quotient, which means we need to use the quotient rule. Let's remember our mnemonic for the quotient rule. It tells us low d high minus high d low over low squared. So that's the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. Let's implement that here. So we've got f prime of x equals low times d high. The low function is e to the x. And then the derivative of the higher function is just 1. The derivative of x is 1. Minus high, which is x, times the derivative of the lower function, which is e to the x, all over the lower function squared. So that's going to be e to the x squared. We can also write that as e to the 2x, but I don't think we need to. Let's just see what happens next here. In the numerator, we have a factor of e to the x that we can factor out. So that's e to the x times 1 minus x, all over e to the x squared. And we actually can cancel a factor of e to the x out of the numerator and denominator. There's an e to the x in the top, and in the bottom, it's e to the x squared. And if we cancel one of those e to the x's, we're left with the other one. So we're just left with e to the x down there. And so this gives us 1 minus x, all over e to the x. And that is our derivative.